Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make your desktop in Windows 11 look cleaner without installing any software. It is quite easy and simple, and if you want to get your desktop icons back, this setting change that we are going to apply through the Windows 11 software can be reversed. First, press right-click on your mouse, and a small pop-up window will appear. Next, move the mouse cursor on to the View option. Now a new small pop window has appeared. Next, move the cursor on to the Show Desktop Icons option. As you can see, the Show Desktop Icons option has a check mark next to it. Next, press left-click on your mouse. As you can now see, all the desktop icons have now disappeared, and the desktop looks much more cleaner now. If for whatever reason you want to reverse this setting change that we just applied through the Windows 11 system, press right-click on your mouse again. Now repeat the earlier steps again. As you can now see, there is no check mark next to the Show Desktop Icons option. Next, press left-click on your mouse, and the desktop icons will reappear. If this video was helpful to you, I ask of you to please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.